Welcome to our channel. Today we how to install Ahrefs Keyword Explorer Content Workflow full guide step by step clearly. To begin installing Ahrefs Keyword Explorer, start by visiting the official Ahrefs website. Once there, navigate to the top menu and click on the Tools section. In the Tools section, locate and select Keyword Explorer from the list. Now, you'll need to sign in or create an account if you haven't done so yet. After signing in, you will be directed to the Keyword Explorer dashboard. Take a moment to familiarize yourself with the layout and available features. To start a new keyword analysis, type your target keyword into the search bar. Select the search engine you want to focus on from the drop-down menu. Click on the search button to initiate the keyword analysis. Review the results displayed on the screen, which will include keyword difficulty, search volume, and related keywords. You can click on any keyword to get more detailed information about its performance. Next, explore the Keyword Ideas tab to discover additional keywords related to your search term. Use filters to refine your keyword search based on metrics that are important to your content strategy. Once you find relevant keywords, you can save them to a list for future reference. Now, navigate to the Content Explorer feature to analyze existing content around your target keywords. Enter the keywords you saved earlier into the Content Explorer search bar. Review the results to see how well similar content is performing in your niche. This data will help you understand what works and what doesn't for your target audience. You can filter results by metrics such as backlinks and social shares to find high-performing content. Keep track of your findings by taking notes or exporting data for later analysis. Finally, develop your content strategy based on the insights gathered from both Keyword Explorer and Content Explorer. This step-by-step process will empower you to utilize Ahrefs Keyword Explorer effectively. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.